Today, we will show you how this luxury Bison leather travel bag is made inside the factory.
And after this, you will see every step of its journey,
From raw material to final luxury product.
It begins in the vast open plains, where bison are carefully raised.
Every animal is verified through strict health inspection protocols.
The facility ensures a fully controlled and regulated handling environment. Each transfer is carried out with precision and strict safety standards.
The journey continues from farm fields toward the processing facility.
And finally, the raw hides arrive at the leather processing complex. Inside the facility, every vehicle follows a controlled receiving pathway. Precision docking ensures a seamless transition into processing zones.
Every shipment is verified before entering the production chain.
The raw hides are transferred into controlled handling systems.
Automated conveyors guide materials deeper into the facility. This marks the beginning of the transformation process. The factory stands as a fully integrated industrial leather production hub. Every entry is controlled through strict security verification.
Workers follow strict hygiene and safety protocols before entering production zones. Inside, logistics operate like a synchronized industrial network.
The raw material intake system receives every shipment with precision. The factory interior prepares for the first stage of purification. Each hide is carefully sorted before entering the cleaning process. Advanced washing systems remove all surface contaminants. Controlled drying prepares the material for inspection and treatment. Only approved materials move forward in the production chain. The system classifies material for specialized processing. The hides now enter controlled preparation for deep processing. The core transformation begins with controlled chemical soaking. Tanning drums ensure deep penetration of treatment into every fiber. Neutralization restores balance and prepares the leather structure.
Hydraulic pressing refines texture and removes residual moisture.
Conditioning machines prepare leather for precision shaping. Only perfected materials proceed to the shaping stage. The leather now enters its precision shaping phase. Each piece is cut with exact industrial precision.
Every component is organized for structured assembly.
Preparation ensures flawless alignment for stitching.
the product begins to take its final structural form.
Each bag is carefully assembled into its final structure. The factory now transitions into automated finishing systems. Each surface is refined to achieve premium leather quality. Color consistency is achieved through controlled finishing chambers.
Infrared drying locks in durability and surface quality.
Every unit is verified through precision sensor technology. Automation and craftsmanship work together in perfect balance.
Every edge is refined to achieve a flawless premium finish.
High-grade fittings are installed with exact industrial precision. Handles are reinforced to ensure long-term structural strength. Steam shaping ensures perfect structure and symmetry.
Surface quality is carefully verified at every stage.
The products now approach their final refinement stage. Every product now enters strict quality control verification. Each bag is tested for real-world strength and durability. Water resistance is verified under simulated environmental stress. Precision scanners ensure zero manufacturing defects.
Human expertise confirms the final standard of perfection.
Only approved products receive official certification for packaging.
The final stage begins with premium protective packaging.
Each product is prepared for safe global delivery.
Industrial precision ensures secure and uniform packaging. Every unit is digitally tracked for global distribution.
Finished products are securely stored in high-capacity warehouses.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury Bison leather travel bags from start to finish.
Now the product is presented in its final premium form.
Every detail is captured to highlight its craftsmanship.
This is the final expression of luxury craftsmanship.